So above those ice balls, there's a massive body of ice called the Columbia Ice Field. It is 215 square kilometers. So to put that into perspective, this Athabaska glacier that you're currently traveling on, the whole surface area of that is only 2% of the whole ice field. So you can fit the city of Paris 2 times into the ice field, or the city of Vancouver 2 times, depending on what mood you're in. So the reason that the ice field exists in that location is basically, in short, because of the high altitude and the position in relation to the Pacific. So humid air blows in from the west, from the Pacific, and then when it hits the Canadian Rockies, it shoots upwards, and that air carries a lot of precipitation. That precipitation turns into snow. And then as the snow builds up, bearing in mind that about between 6 and 8 meters of snow fall up on the ice field every year, the air is slowly pushed out of the snow by the weight of the other snow on top of it. And when that air disappears, it turns into ice. That process is called fertification. So that, in short, that's a brief explanation of why the ice field is up there. So if you imagine the ice field is a scoop of ice cream, imagine someone walks along and dumps that scoop of ice cream in your hand. Now the ice cream's going to melt and it's going to run between your fingers. So in short, the scoop of ice cream is the ice field, and the ice cream running between your fingers, those are the glaciers. So there are 6 major glaciers on the Columbia ice field. You've got Columbia, you do have smaller glaciers such as the one to our left. If you take a look at your 9 o'clock currently, up on the hill there, you will see the AA Glacier. Technically it's unnamed, but we call it the AA unofficially because to the left of that glacier you have Mount Athabaska, and to the right you have Mount Andromeda, 2 A's, double A. So that one is a hanging valley glacier that used to feed directly into the Athabaska, and that'll give you another idea of how big this glacier used to be.